pressure washer. It has about 25-foot high pressure hose. It has sort of the wheel away kind of handles. And so this is the project. So this entire patio has to get pressure washed. You see where dogs come in and out from this pathway. And they're running out, so it's pressure washing all this patio, carpet, all this furniture, part of the doors where they scratch up on, and all this, and get this nice and clean for the springtime. There's also a lot of pollen in the air, so sorry if I'm gonna keep sniffling, but yeah, this pollen is kicking my butt. So let me just open this up so you can see what's inside of it. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Okay, instructions. Some plastic. We've got, looks like some type of handle. Your hose, with your 25-foot hose. We've got gun. Different nozzles, soap, 40 degree, 25 degree, and turbo, which I don't know if turbo is included or you have to buy that separately, I'm not sure just yet. Here's your nozzle, goes on top of here. This is part of the handle for the wheel number one. Other parts. Tires. Bolt. And that's it. Okay. Let's see here. Alright. Let's get this put together. Here. This is the main unit. There's some screws in here. It's right here for now. Let's write my instructions. Register your product. Here's other accessories you can get for it. We'll come back. So first I'll do the wheels, which are here. Axles inside this bag. Let's pour this out. Yep. Here's the axle for the wheels. Let's get this out of here. Oh, here's the other. This must be the turbo nozzle. Alright. Alright, so under here is a pin. This is going to go into here, and here's a hole, which I can put that closer. So this is a hole that goes in. This is going to the other side, and then this pin I'm going to push into there. There's an axle there, washer next, and the pin goes right after that. There we go. Next, let's do the other side. Next, wheel, axle, washer, pin, all right, so this goes on here. Here. Okay. This must be the gun holder. So somewhere around here, this is supposed to go in like so. This goes in like this. And then it's like this. Alright, so this is the front panel. And then here you have some 4 screws that you're going to have to screw in at each of these parts. So I'm going to do that now. Got these 2 in. Next, this is going to be the gun holder. It's going to go on the left side. Alright, so you have this. This one goes in here. And this is the hose hook. Hose hook is going to go over here. So, and this with the washer, this screw with the washer goes inside. I'm going to drop that into the hole, push that into there, and then screw it in. And actually, the last step was to click it into here, but I think you should click this in and then put this stuff together. Can't imagine trying to do this without. All right, so that's on there. So this goes inside of. So there's holes up in here. So you can squeeze this in, push that, like so. It's going to be something like that. For the gun, it's going to be, this goes here, clicks in. This is that turbo one, I believe. That turbo, push that like this. That goes right here. Okay. Oh, there's your soap reservoir, power button, gun, hook, all of your nozzles. You get about 4. That's pretty much it. All right, so now let's get to washing. So let me clean up the rest of this stuff, and then we'll start to wash this this patio. done using it, wrap up your cords, hang them there, and then you're ready to just wheel it off to wherever you need to go. Back into the garage, shed. So I think I like that because it has that convenience. We'll just wrap it up and move it so it doesn't take up much of a big footprint. So this is the 1800 PSI Greenworks Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Next time I'll have to get some pressure washers, so if I'm washing a car or something like that.
Perfect.